Hello, I'm George Kaiho at Jettison in Dallas, Texas. I'm going to show you how I make classic gin martini. First, you're going to pick your favorite glassware and chill it up with ice, like that. And then you're going to pick a mixing vessel, mixing glass, and also chill it out. Mixing glass, you'll be stirring it. Make sure it gets cold and also slightly melt the ice. Get rid of the water. Extra dilution. I'm using Botanist Gin for my gin, and Dolin Dry vermouth for my vermouth, and also I'm using Regan's orange bitters. Right. We make sure a little water. Start with the bitters, about 2 or 3 dashes. Right. And then I'm doing 2 ounces of the Botanist Gin. And 3/4 ounce of the Dolin Dry vermouth. So it's basically a classic 2-to-1 ratio gin and vermouth, except I'm a little shy on the vermouth. That makes it a little on the drier style. Now I'm going to mix it. I do about 50 stirs, 120 revolutions per minute. Semi-joking. I'm not joking. Alright, the cocktail's done. I'm gonna strain it into the glass. That's nicely chilled. And then the garnish. I have 3 options. I got lemon peel, olives with stuffed pickled lemons, and homemade cocktail onions. For this video, I'm gonna do a classic lemon peel. Take a vegetable peeler. Peel a straight lemon, about this big, and then you get the lemon zest out, lemon oil out, so the surface, the skin side out. Pour it in. The oils kind of settle on top of the liquid. It's nice to kind of coat the rim also, so when you sip it, you get the nice lemon feel. And then I'm gonna clean it up a little bit so the cocktail looks nice. I'm taking the white pith out so that it's not going to float inside the cocktail glass. Take the edges out. Alright. It looks like this now. And then I'm going to cut slits inside the peel. That'll allow more flow, so it's gonna sit inside the glass, and it's also gonna settle more, set out more of the aroma. All right. Now, this in, and this is how I make a martini. And you just saw me do it. It's very easy. You can do it too at home. Cheers. It's good.